Previously on. There. Sorry, guys. Hey guys, what's happening? I'm feeling so florally and just so summery today. I don't know why. Just put on something white, you know. I just wanted to feel godly. Do you like my flower crown? I did it myself. I actually did a DIY tutorial on this flower crown here. So if you haven't seen that video, I will leave the link below. You can go check it out and make your own flower crown. Guys, my DIYs are for you guys too, eh? If you guys have girlfriends, you guys can make it for them as well, in case y'all didn't know. These are great gifts, in case y'all didn't know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go to mom's. I'm just gonna see if I have any mail up there. I gotta go to the dollar store and see if I can find some spray paints. If not, I gotta go back to Walmart and find some spray paints, because I actually gotta make some Jamaica flower crowns and stuff like that. So the greens that I'm seeing are like bright greens, and I need some like dark greens, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. So I ain't gonna bore y'all. I've noticed that a lot of my vlogs now are car vlogs, so I'm not trying to get into that unless y'all like them. But yeah, I'm not trying to get into that, make that being a habit, like how recording at home was a habit before. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get to the mall, and when I'm heading into the dollar store, I'll take you guys with me, okay? Because I'm feeling cute today. Yeah, I actually did my eyebrows and everything. Well, I just recorded the DIY, so I actually had to get a little cute to go on camera, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna plug in my music, guys, so later. Fever, high up and honey, wine for me, baby, everything crisp. My good love make it turn on twist. Yeah, make it turn on twist for real. I don't know. Anyway, so I went to the dollar store, guys. It was like 2 seconds. It didn't make sense that I bring. Well, did I have my phone? I don't even think I took my phone out of the damn car. But yeah, this guy is coming that used to talk to me when I used to live over here. Oh my god, he's so annoying. Like, so annoying. What am I gonna go say no? Look back. Yeah, it was like 2 seconds. They didn't have the spray paint, so I'm gonna have to probably go to Walmart, probably buy a bottle and then bring it back. I only had to spray paint like 2 flowers, or just go there with the flowers and spray paint them there. Oh god, I'm gonna buy some food. I'm in Driftwood. I'm back home. This is my real home. It's Tadmore, and then I'm gonna go to Miss Chin and buy some chicken and chips.
Oh, no.
I love my flower.
Let me have this one, chicken and...
Oh, I forgot it's on my head. Maybe that's why everybody was looking at me.
Right.
Hi. Can I get the special 2 wings and fries and an extra wing? So 3 wings and fries and ketchup and mayo.
Wing sauce, honey?
No sauce.
Hi. So where did you get the...
I made it.
You made it?
Yeah.
Can I get your number? Can
Sure.
you make one for me?
Sure, no problem.
And you drink or you just... Let me get you.
416
your name?
Zoe. Z-O-E.
There we go.
No problem. Thank you.
You live around here?
No, but my mom does, so I'm here.
Okay, so
all the
that's
time.
you can only get it up.
Yeah, exactly. No problem. Have a good day. Bye, Miss Chin. You're welcome. And just like that, I got a new customer. You see, you gotta wear your product in order to sell your product. You gotta be a walking billboard, my ninja. Hi, Miss Chin. I'm good. How are you? Yes, I'm a flower girl. How much is it? $1. $1. Okay. Thank you. Okay, bye. I got a car from the boy. Yes. Yes. I just hope they don't want black flowers or anything like that because, well, just like, where did you get your things from? Girl, these hands, you see these hands? You guys, you see that ring that was on my finger once upon a time? Ask me where it is. I put it down and I don't know where to find it. I mean, I can always get another one, right? Right? So he's gonna, he won't even care. He's gonna be like, oh babe, I'll buy you another one, you know? Yeah, right. Anyways, guys, see you upstairs. That filter I go when you can't make your own crowns, them. Hey, I will say creativity and do it. What are they doing to my building? Look at the walls. Oh my god, look at it. I know they're fixing it up, but oh my god. Jeez. Anywho's, waiting for the elevator. Oh my god. Oh, wow, this building's gonna be nice. Maybe I should move back. I don't think that would be such a bad idea. Gosh darn it, man. I wish I could have showed you guys it before. Hey guys, so I'm upstairs. I'm about to eat. I'm just trying to catch up on all my TV shows. So Teen Mom 2, and Keeping Up with the Kardashians, The Real. After they kicked my girl Tamar off. Do you guys believe they kicked Tamar off The Real? Like in real life. But you see how that God works? She got her own show. I hope she invites them as guests on her show for her first show. You know what I mean? Yeah, Karma's a bitch. The Real. I love Tam, and I love Tay Tay, and I love Adrian. Jeannie's I love Lonnie. Jeannie's okay. Like, I don't mind her, but sometimes she's just a little too much. See it? A little? Yeah. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna eat. Take this thing off my head and go and eat. Ow, ow. And go and eat. I think I'm gonna take out my hair today too, actually. Might make a wig today too. Oh, so many things I might do. Message Fuffy and see where she's at. She wants to come see me. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat my food. I don't know why they put so much friggin' mayonnaise. And I'm gonna watch Teen Mom too. So look what I found, look what I found, look what I found. I found it. I'm gonna spray paint the tree 4 flowers. I'm gonna go return it. Actually, speaking of returning it, where's my receipt? Before I get all hyped and excited. This is the bag of the day. I doubt that I put it in my wallet, so it has to be in the car. Where's the car key? Girl, I feel say, what make you clean so? Girl, I feel say, what make you clean so? Alright, so let me do this.
Marcus Records.
Yeah, massacre, you know. Whoa, cranium, Margwan. Yeah, as a youth, one thing me always preach on my TV. Richer than most when me always see. Yeah, I'm in a sell out for vanity, oh that. Some beach house, man I preach bout. Big car, man I drive out. Me and my dogs, they're ready. And some dream house, man I preach bout. Big bikes, man I wheel out. Me and my dogs, they're ready for road. My girlfriend by my side, and she ready for road. I feel rich now. Right now, mommy have to sleep. 3 picnic and 1 bed, ground she have to sleep. Swear that I fit change just so me jump in at the street. I'm go hunting at the street for buy the house, them and the jeep. And when me born, God know it never see. Father gonna jail.
Done. I'm gonna do 2 more because I want some myself. I want one myself. Monday, June 13th. This is today's din din. It's some peach juice. And yeah, I'm gonna end this day's vlog here, or this day's clips here, unless anything else entertaining happens later on. Just gonna go and eat my dinner solo dolo and call it a day. Not too. My tea is forever giving me problems. But I'm out, y'all. Till next time. Guys, it's Tuesday, June, I think the 14th. I don't know. I'll put it up. But I'm at mom's. I came over here because I didn't want to be by myself. After the funeral and stuff, I just been really having some difficulty sleeping. Like, I don't know, I can't sleep properly. And, you know, Marlon's gone at nighttime, so I'm by myself. So I decided to come and stay with mom. Just have some company at nighttime. And stuff like that, you know? Yes. I'm maybe 26 and a big woman. I take thing all the while at night time. I live with man and thing and Ray, but I still need my mama. Okay? Shoot. So yeah, I'm here, but I'm gonna make a wig right now. I have some videos I want to record, and I did the braids in a couple. I wore out my curly one, even though I still have it, and it's still pretty good actually for not real hair. It's pretty good, you know. So I'm gonna I have some Brazilian hair, just some plain Brazilian hair. I'm just gonna make a wig right now. That's 14. Look at the head. This is what happened when Sally was sitting on the head for so long. Like, oh god, I hate it. But anyways, this is my bestie, you guys. Say hi to her. Say hi, bestie. Hi. Wagwan YouTube. Alright. Make sure to subscribe to my best friend channel, eh? Because our thing turn up loud, eh? Make sure, eh? Oh, okay. Alright. See what my ear done like a more, yeah? Alright. Okay, bestie, you can come out now. She's so now, she coming like fuffish. Them just chat enough, eh? Lad. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that right now. Look at more ear. Morning. Can you guys smell my breath? Ooh, can you guys smell my breath? Morning, guys. I don't think I've ever done this in Canada. Like in bed, just waking up kind of thing. But yeah, good morning. It's Friday, June 15th. and I'm just getting up. Today is my recording day. I want to record my videos for upcoming weeks. And yeah, so I want to take you guys on my little morning routine today. See what I do to start my day and stuff. And then yeah, okay.
You, baby, it ain't nothing but love I got for you. We've been through the ups and downs, but this love will never change for you. Words just cannot explain. No one can come before you. And I hope that you feel the same. 'Cause if you ask, I will move a mountain for you. 'Cause baby, you are. Oh baby, you are the one for me. You got to believe me, 'cause baby, you are. Oh baby, you are the one for me. You got to believe me. Here we are, the both of us. I'm so happy the day that I found you. You're the one that I can trust. 'Cause no one knows me like you do. I've been with other men, but it doesn't feel the same like you do. You're always there for me, so I will always be here for you. Cause baby, you are. Oh baby, you are the one for me. You got to believe me, 'cause baby, you are. Oh baby, you are the one for me. You got to believe me. You, baby, it ain't nothing but love I got for you. We've been through the ups and downs, but this love will never change for you. Words just cannot explain. No one can come before you. 'Cause if you ask, I will move a mountain for you.
And that's it for my mornings. It's pretty it for my morning until I'm about to get ready. So I'm gonna go drink my tea, watch a little TV, and then start recording. So see you guys in a little bit. It's Friday! Thank God! It's Friday and that I made it to another Friday. Thank you, Jesus. Guys, y'all remember this kind of setup? I'm pretty sure by the time this is up, y'all would have seen this setup. Let me put this back on just to refresh your memory. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I just finished recording that video. So I have 2 vlogs. I have 1 more to edit. And yeah, I have 1 more to edit. And then I'll have to edit this video that I just did. And then I'll have all my uploads for next week. And yeah. And then I have 2 more summer videos that I want to put up on my channel before the ending of July. And then the 3rd one, I don't know if I'm going to do that one. The lookbook. I'm still really contemplating. I know I'm not like a lookbook guru or anything like that. Like, you have to practice in order to become great. But like the lookbooks that I'm seeing people putting out, like I want mine to be on fire. And I'm gonna need somebody to help me. And Fuffy's leaving. She's going to Jamaica and she's not taking me. So I'm not going to help. And whatever. So yeah. Yeah. I gotta go on the road soon. I gotta go do my mother-in-law's hair. And I gotta go to my mom's house. And yeah, but I don't know if I'll wait till Bay comes so I can use the car or whatever, but we shall see. But yeah, I might have to pick up the kids from daycare. That too, I forgot. I'm not 100% sure yet. All depends on what Kimmy says. And yeah, I think I'm gonna perm my hair back, you guys, or get some kinky straight hair, because like I want to rock straight hair and I can't, or I just need to afford some lace closures or frontals. This will reach up this way, and that's how look to get Brazilian now. Whenever I used to wear them something, so see what me. Yeah, I'm so like not tired, but I'm tired. I'm more like bored than anything. I just want to go outside and just, I don't know, message Puffy and see what's up. Maybe we'll do something. We shall see. So I just wanted to catch up with you guys to let you guys know what I was doing right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys later on.
But them story a history. Raise me a rise. Them chat about me too hype. And them no love how me a function. 1 step at a time up the ladder me a crawl. So pagan go suck your mother with a straw. Them a corrupt like virus pan a thumb drive. Fight against.
Yes. Some man a firm. Them no know who will them turn. Don't skip the line and get ahead of time.
You feel we ain't get turn up. The only kill it king and your body will burn you. No bad time if me things them on a yearn. Me walk out me one a yearn. No coach Lawrence kind, no tavern. Cause man sense a teach but them not learn. Aki walk, tell them wait them turn. Love me style, them smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, me squeeze your breast, them we fragile. Me don't love man. Little bit of clothes, girl still a fi ask me. Say, why make you clean so? Girl a be say, why make you clean so? I grade smoke a flow through me window. Every girl all visible. Cause to me, every man is invisible. Body shine, your body incredible. And your pum pum fit for the killable.
Picking up the kids. We're on my way to pick them up. Waiting for the light. I'm being watched. Yeah. So yeah. What did y'all do today on this Friday? So nice today. It's too nice though. Like it's hot. Like every car I hear that has like a Jamaican driver in it is playing Vibes Cartel. Why? Is he really the world boss? I don't rate him, eh? Hold on. Whoa, I got in. I got in again. Yes. Hi, kitties. You ready to go home? Say bye. Bye. Oh, you have to wash your hands. Okay, go wash your hands. I'll get your stuff. Go. Look at the little cubbies. Oh, and where's Shawnee? Look at him. So miserable. Let's grab their stuff and let's go. Home from daycare, guys. I'm so buzzed. Like, it's super hot. I don't even know if y'all can see. But yeah, like it's super hot. And like with this damn double stroller, Kim, they was not my god keys. I'm joking, they're still my in-laws. But yeah, just walking. I'll be home in like 10, 15 minutes. Once I make it up this hill. Sean, Lonnie, you okay? You okay? Okay? You okay, Sean? Say hi. Hi. Oh God, have mercy. Oh my God, look at the bus. It was so empty. Yeah, I'm so buzzed. It's too hot. Like that walk home from daycare, like did it for me. The kids were sleeping. I just woke up. I'm like, I'm going home. Marlon didn't come to his mom's house today, so I'm pretty sure he's at home sleeping. So it's Friday. I'm gonna buy some junk food, buy some Popeyes, and go home. I'm gonna go get the car first because honestly I'm tired of walking. Like I'm so buzzed. Look at me. Like no care in the world whatsoever. So yeah, this is up right now. Just waiting for my bus to go home. And I'll catch up with you guys when I get home.